Hi, we have a new version 6.4 since yesterday. Let's choose Linux dev version. Let's download it. After downloading, let's go to that folder where we save it. So we have it in that folder in downloads. Let's go over there. Let's extract it. Okay, because it's a zip archive. We enter in that folder and we go into the dev file, and here we open a new terminal and we have this command sudo dpkg -i all deb. Okay, so we enter our password for Linux and that's all. That's how to install LibreOffice, the new version that was released yesterday. What we want now is to see how we can change the look of LibreOffice after we install a new version. For example, this is what I do every time I install a new version of LibreOffice. So let's see. We are waiting for LibreOffice to finish the install. Okay, everything is done. Let's go to LibreOffice now. Let's open LibreOffice. Okay, so uncheck this. Okay, let's close this. And now go to Tools. I don't like these icons, for example. Go to Tools Options. Go to View. I choose every time cipher and every icon size to be small. Apply and OK. So this is how I like LibreOffice to be. Thanks for watching and watch the other video about 6.4. Thank you.